What I have here is a spot blender from Car Rep. I'm going to show you how I use this product. I'm going to be sealing the front edge of the door up that we had to repair. This can be used on sealer, single stage paint, clear coat, even 1K paints, and any kind of 1K product. The idea of this product is to give the, in this case, sealer a nice smooth, even consistency for laying my base coat on top of. And the one trick that I am also using in this video is check out how I spray the front edge of this door. I'm going to end up using the Natural Fan Patterns Fade to help really soften that edge as much as I can. So as you can see, I went from top to bottom. I didn't go right to left or left to right. I just let that gun naturally give me that soft edge. And you can see it does a pretty good job, but you can get that sandpile-y kind of, almost not gritty, but it kind of feels like you have some product just sitting on top and not melted in. So I'm just checking the edge to make sure I got everything. That's when I pulled the spot blender. I gave it a shake before I used it, even before right now. And I'm just going to give it one nice light coat. I'm going about halfway through to the back of the door on top of my sealer and everything. And almost instantly you can see how quick the sealer edge is drying right here. It was a hot day. It was about 32 degrees Celsius that day. It was a hot week. But you can see how much smoother and more consistent that looks. Kick it over to when it's dry. Check out how smooth and even that looks. Especially if you're going to do a metallic color, you want your metallics to orient right. This is very key when you're trying to get your metallics to orient, because you don't want uneven sand piling feeling of sealer on top of your panel. And but yeah, great product for this case. If you're doing a spot blend with some clear coat, same kind of idea exists. Spray a little past your repair and a little bit onto your repair, and really get that product to help melt and fade out that clear edge that you have. Very happy with this stuff. Turned out great.